There we are, guys. Perfect potato salad. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make potato salad. You know, I was lucky enough to walk around the market and I found these new potatoes. So I'm going to make potato salad. This is so easy to make. It's fantastic as a snack or an addition to a meal. And if you're having a party or picnic, it is superb. So let's show you how to make fresh potato salad. Let's do it. So we'll just put all this stuff to one side, because what we need to do is start with the potatoes. Right guys, what we're going to do, we're going to look at our potatoes, and if they're small like this, you know, we don't have to do anything with them. But if you do want to cut them in half, just cut them in half so you've got those nice small bits of potato. And then what we're going to do is chuck them in there. Okay, chuck them in a pan, because we need to boil these. So we'll half these small ones, and for the larger one like this, we'll actually cut it into 3. Now, you don't have to be so precise in prepping your potatoes, you know. So that's our potatoes prepped. All we need to do now is cover these with water and put a pinch of salt in. So in with some water. And then in with a little pinch of salt. Get a pinch of salt in there, and then we'll get those potatoes onto boil. Okay, flame on. Boom. All we need to do, guys, is bring these up to the boil. Now, we're not going to boil them too long. We want to have a little bit of firmness in our potato salad. So we'll have to monitor them, you know. We'll bring them up to the boil, and it should take about somewhere around about 10 minutes, 11 minutes, no more than that, and they should be fine. So bring the water up to the boil and then start your counter for about 10 minutes, and then we check them. Quick stir, mix them all around. Nothing hard about this, guys. We're just trying to get them all to cook evenly. Okay guys, as soon as our potatoes start to take a fork, they're ready. You know, they're okay. So let's turn off the flame. Now what we need to do, we have to drain these potatoes. We have to make them go cold. Right, drain your potatoes, guys. Your potatoes drained. Let them cool down. Okay, potato salad ingredients then. To put our sauce together, we want 3 really good heaped tablespoons of mayo, of mayonnaise. Now guys, we're making it this potato salad the English way, so we're going to add a good tablespoon of salad cream. Get that in there. And that is our sauce for our potato salad. Then all we need to do now is chop some veg and get some veg in there while our potatoes are cooling. Okay, we've got 3 cloves of garlic. Now you can use 2 if you want, give them a good smashing. I like garlic in my potato salad, and all we're going to do is roughly dice up our garlic. Now again, it's up to you how fine that you actually want to chop this. You know, I like chunks of garlic in my potato salad. If you don't like garlic, miss it out, guys. It doesn't matter. It's just a depth of flavour in there, you know. But you don't need it. You know, we're going to add spring onions, so that's going to give an onion flavour, and the garlic might be too harsh for you. Like I say, I like garlic in my potato salad. So that's our garlic chopped. All we need to do now is add the garlic to our salad cream mixture, our mayo. We need to take about 4 spring onions, and all we're going to do is finely slice these across. So nice and easy, finely slice across there. Add our onions to our bowl. So now we've got onions and garlic in there. Now what we've got here is a handful of Italian parsley, and we're just going to give this a nice chopping through as well. Now you can have the parsley leaves as big or as small as you like. That's our chopped parsley. So we're going to add our chopped parsley to our bowl. In with a spoon, guys, give it a good mixing in. Oh, now that's looking like quite a lot of green in there. But you know, when we add our potatoes and we mix it in, now we get a really nice English style potato salad. So what we need to do now is transfer it to a serving bowl, and you can either put it in the fridge to cool or you can eat it. Up to you. There we are, guys. Perfect potato salad. Fantastic finger food for a party, summer. Make it beforehand, stick it in the fridge, serve it up within 2 days. Easy. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you in the next video.